There are many products available to choose from golf travel bags, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read many reviews, and compiled a list of the best golf travel bags from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hymel Sided Golf Travel Bag. The Hymel Soft-Sided Travel Bag is the best value cheap golf travel bag you will find. It is big enough to fit a larger stand bag, incredibly lightweight, and has 2 inline skate wheels to help with maneuverability. This won't be anything you see the tour pros using as they travel, but it's also not poor enough quality to pass it over. If you are on a budget and want a good amount of protection, this will work. Pros: fair price. Compact. Lightweight. Cons: have to take longer clubs out of bag to fit. Less padding than others. Fabric not as high quality as others. Specs: size 15x13x 50 inches. Weight: 5 pounds. Material: 600D heavy-duty polyester. Wheel type: 2 inline skate wheels. As you search for a new golf travel bag, the Hymel will likely come up quite often. It's a cheap golf travel bag, but it has adequate padding and protection. If you don't want to spend much but also don't want to miss out on travel, this could be the bag for you. Made of premium 600D heavy-duty polyester Oxford, tough enough to protect your golf clubs during travel. The golf bag travel case itself comes with soft cushion and carrying handles. The Velcro carrying handle is particularly useful to help carry the golf club travel bag, whether at airport or station. Hymel provides a true satisfaction guarantee, and don't hesitate to contact us if there is any problem. Number 2. Amazon Basic Soft-Sided Golf Travel Bag. If you are on a budget and looking for something that has decent cushioning and enough quality to get you through a few trips a year, then the Amazon Soft-Sided Travel Bag could be a good fit. We can tell you from the start that this soft-sided travel bag won't have the extra protection you see from other brands, but it is fair in price. In addition, the inline skate wheels are not a thing with this bag, so get ready to embrace the shoulder strap. If you think you are going to have a hard time with maneuverability and carrying this bag on your own, it's not the best choice. Features: soft-sided design. Folds up small. Extra storage space inside the travel bag. Compression straps inside. 1-year warranty. Specs: size 50x13x15. Weight: 8.65 pounds. Material: nylon fabric. Wheel type: swivel. This is a bag for a golfer on a budget. I can't tell you that the features are surprisingly amazing, or I had full confidence that the top of the bag would completely protect my golf clubs. If you need a golf club travel bag a few times a year, or you... Number 3. Caddy Daddy Constrictor Soft-Sided Golf Travel Bag. One of the things golfers will quickly notice about golf travel bags is that as the price increases, so does the quality and durability. However, you will find with the Caddy Daddy Golf Constrictor 2 that the quality is good and the pricing stays in check. This bag is easy to load, doesn't have a ton of extra room, but has really heavy-duty curb rails. Deterioration of this golf bag certainly happens at a slower pace. Features: rubber handles. 1800D polyester. Inline skate wheels. Will fit card and stand bags. Pros: very durable for the price. 2 outside storage pockets. Extra compression straps for securing the golf bag. 2 skate wheel for smooth rolling. Lockable zippers. Cons: more dated, not as modern look. It feels a bit droopy. Inside storage is minimal. Specs: size 51x13x15 inches. Weight: 9 pounds. Material: 1800D polyester fabric. Wheel type: 2 inline skate wheels. Caddy Daddy's Constrictor Golf Bag Cover is designed specifically for protecting your golf clubs and equipment while traveling air auto. It offers excellent value for money and is a must-have travel bag for all golfers. Whether you are a pro on tour or are big on golf travel, this padded golf cover bag is your perfect travel. It also comes with 2 oversized pockets to store additional golf accessories like shoes, tees, balls, and other items. The bag also has riveted handles, nylon padding, and heavy-duty rubber handles for easy carry and transport. It also comes with lockable zippers and large oversized pockets to store additional golf gear and equipment like tees, shirts, shoes, balls, etc. Number 4. SKB Auto Deluxe Golf Travel Bag. If you are still stuck on the concept that a hard case is the only option for your golf clubs, the SKB Auto Deluxe is another model we tested this year. One thing to note about this particular travel case is that it is undoubtedly made for stand bags. You will not be able to get a cart bag or staff bag in this, so move right along if that's your goal. Overall, I was impressed with the outer material of the SKB and the smoothness in the way it rolled. For a heavy hardcover, the travel case is not hard to work with. Features: SAW-approved lock, Hard material for improved protection of clubs. Tight space around the clubs. Internal compression straps. No exterior pockets. Pros. Front wheel can turn 360 degrees. Sturdy design. It weighs about 16 pounds. Will accommodate a larger golf bag. Cons. It takes some time to get used to locking and unlocking the front swivel. The 3-step folding process can take a little while to perfect. Specs. Size. 48.75 x 11.25 x 14.25. Weight. 18 pounds. Material. Durable polyethylene. Wheel type. 2-in-line skate wheels. The SKB golf cases is a good choice for the golfer that has experienced some golf equipment trauma at the hands of an airline. If your driver snapped or your putter bent, you would want to stay away from soft covers for the rest of your life. We get that. The SKB Golf Cases Auto Deluxe is a solution for keeping your golf club safe. Make sure you are smart about the size of the bag you choose and the current golf bag you use. Trust me on this one, there is no room to stretch or push this case out. If your bag doesn't fit, your case won't close. Number 5. Samsonite Hard-Sided Golf Travel Bag. It can be hard to compare a soft-sided travel bag with a hard-sided because of the protection that the hard-sided bag has to offer. The Samsonite is an excellent golf travel cover. Even the angriest of baggage handlers will struggle to do much damage to your golf clubs when they are inside the Samsonite. Of course, there are downsides to a hard-sided travel case. They won't fold up, and you can't squeeze in extra golf accessories, but from a protection standpoint, the Samsonite has a lot to offer. Features. 6 wheels for impressive maneuverability. Hard-sided material. Premium internal fabric. Long replacement warranty. Specs. Size. 543 HX 123 watts x 163. Weight. 15 pounds. Material. Durable plastic. Wheel type. 6 total wheels. Internal compression strap secured the golf bag inside the case. Accommodates larger 10.5 top golf bags with longer 48 clubs. Samsonite travel equipment is always performance tested at fully loaded capacity, using stringent quality control standards. Before any product is offered for sale, it is put through rigorous tests of strength, durability, and dependability that represent the environmental demands of frequent travelers. This attention to quality and performance is why Samsonite is world-proof and has been for nearly 100 years. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier.